With some of the most spectacular views on the Gold Coast and facilities to match, the atrium building in Biggera Waters is something a little bit out of the box. Spectacular views await you in 4C in the atrium building in Biggera Waters, with facilities that will rival a 5-star hotel and a location to match. "4C has been renovated from top to bottom with some innovative design ideas to maximise the space. We can now sleep 6 adults comfortably. Every surface has been touched and the apartment is truly turnkey. It's ready for the people who want to sit back, relax, enjoy the lifestyle this apartment and the location offers."